So today I am going to give you one sample report of a cultural fest in your school. Okay. So the question is that your school has organized a cultural fest where the other schools of the city also participated. So you have to write a report for your school magazine. So write down this question. I'm going to write in the question form. You write report writing. Today is 10/11/20, Tuesday. Question is your school recently celebrated an environment week in which several schools of the city visited your school. Not visited, participated. In which several schools of the city participated. So write a report in about 150 words write a report in about 150 words of this event for your school magazine. No, celebrated cultural fest. Sorry, मैंने गलत लिखवा दिया. Your school recently celebrated a cultural fest in which several schools of the city also participated. So write a report in about 150 words about this event for your school magazine. Is it clear to all of you? Your school recently celebrated a cultural fest in which several schools of the city also participated. Write a report in about 150 words about this event for your school magazine. Clear to all of you? Write down this question. It's a sample report writing. Now, you will write here report cultural fest. Write down the date and start writing. On 22nd/10/2019, a colorful and memorable cultural fest was organized in our school. Okay, this event was whole day long, पूरे दिन का था, and was held in the auditorium of our school. So it was a whole day long event and it was held in the auditorium of our school. So in this mega event, many schools from our city took part. So in this mega event, many schools from our city took part. So now the grand show, here we have given the introduction, when and how the event started and when it was celebrated. Clear? Many schools from our city took part. The grand, now with the second paragraph, The grand show commenced by the arrival of various teams from the school. And now this grand show commenced means started by the arrival of various teams from schools. तो different schools से बहुत सारी teams आई थी और उनके आने से ही जो है हमारा ग्रैंड शो commenced हुआ था मीन्स स्टार्ट हुआ था. Then the chief guest, अब कौन थे chief guest? The district collector of our district. ठीक है, कौन थे हमारे chief guest? The district collector of our district arrived with his wife. He was the chief guest at that event. There was a colorful welcome followed by the lighting of the lamp. So when the chief guest come, so he's warmly welcomed. Means how he was welcomed, you can mention it in a line or two, that tilak was applied on his forehead and things like that, but you don't need to go in that much detail. So we can just write it in a brief that there was a colorful welcome followed by the lightning of lamp. और उन्होंने आकर वहाँ पे लैम्प को लाइट किया, आप वो जो जलाते हैं ना जोत. इट वॉज accompanied by a melodious सरस्वती वंदना. और जैसे ही आप लैम्प लाइट करते हैं उसके बाद हमेशा सरस्वती जी की वंदना की जाती है, गॉडेस सरस्वती की. इतना तो आपको भी मालूम होगा. सो इट वॉज accompanied by means as he lighted the lamp, at the same time the Saraswati Vandana was started. ठीक है. Hailing the goddess of knowledge and wisdom means हम ये सरस्वती वंदना क्यों करते हैं? Hailing the goddess of knowledge and wisdom means सरस्वती माता को, गॉडेस सरस्वती को हम गॉडेस ऑफ नॉलेज एंड विजडम बोलते हैं. तो हेलिंग मीन्स उनको बुलाते हैं या उनको हम उनका आवाहन करते हैं. हिंदी में जैसे एग्जैक्ट वर्ड बोला जाता है, उनको एक तरह से रेवरेंस दी जाती है, रिस्पेक्ट दी जाती है. इट वॉज फॉलोड बाय अ वेलकम स्पीच. उसके बाद फॉलोड बाय अ मीन्स सरस्वती वंदना के बाद वेलकम स्पीच गिवन बाय द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ आवर स्कूल. इन दैट शी वेलकम्ड द गेस्ट. देन देर वॉज अ बुके प्रेजेंटेशन. उसके बाद स्पीच दी उन्होंने, वेलकम स्पीच और बुके प्रेजेंटेशन टू द इन्वाइटेड गेस्ट्स. जो भी गेस्ट आए थे उनको बुके दिया गया. एंड द ग्रैंड इवेंट बिगैन. और उसके बाद हमारा जो ग्रैंड इवेंट था वो स्टार्ट हो गया. इट वॉज अ ट्रूली मेस्मराइजिंग शो. और हमारा जो इवेंट था वो सच में मेस्मराइजिंग मीन्स हमेशा याद रखने वाला, मीन्स देखकर उसको बहुत खुशी हो रही थी. मेस्मराइजिंग शो था, मन को खुशी देने वाला मेस्मराइजिंग शो. एज द टीम्स फ्रॉम वेरियस स्कूल्स प्रेजेंटेड, और डिफरेंट स्कूल्स जो आए हुए थे वो सब अपनी अपनी आइटम्स, ऑल दे वर प्रेजेंटिंग देयर प्रोग्राम्स एंड एक्टिविटीज. सो देयर वॉज अ सिंगिंग, डांसिंग. तो कैसे कैसे प्रोग्राम्स थे उसमें? सिंगिंग के प्रोग्राम्स थे, डांसिंग के थे, पोइट्री रेसिटेशन थी, स्किट्स थे, मिमिक्री थी, मोनो एक्ट थे, क्लासिकल एंड मॉडर्न कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ several foot tapping numbers. So all these type of items were there. क्या क्या था? Singing के items थे, song and solo song और group songs. Then solo dance और group dance. Poetry recitation थी, skits थी, mimicry होता है बच्चों जब आप किसी की बिल्कुल कॉपी करते हैं, बोलने का तरीका वगैरह, उसको मिमिक्री कहते हैं. मोनो एक्टिंग, when you act silently. Classical and modern combination of several foot tapping numbers means dance numbers. Okay, so these type of all the programs were there in the cultural fest. The chief guest praised the entire event. Chief guest ने बहुत praise की, and he guided with his inspirational words and inspired to do better. And he in his speech he inspired us with his words, and he told us, encouraged us to do better in our life. So it was followed by the announcement of the winning team, and after that the winning team was announced and the team of our school bagged second position. और हमारे स्कूल ने second position बैग की, ठीक है. And everyone complimented one another. और सब एक दूसरे को compliments दे रहे थे, means congratulate कर रहे थे. Compliments देना means एक दूसरे को congratulate करना, best wishes देना. It was followed by a formal. It was followed by a formal. मेरा running hand है. My writing is very good, but I hope that you can understand it properly. Followed by a formal vote of thanks and the event concluded. और उसके बाद formal vote of thanks हुआ. चीफ गेस्ट आते हैं या जो गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर आते हैं उन सबको वोट ऑफ थैंक्स दिया जाता है फ्रॉम द होस्ट स्कूल और अ कॉलेज. वी रियली एंजॉयड अ लॉट एंड डिस्पर्स्ड मीन्स अपने अपने घर चले गए. डिस्पर्स्ड विद अ सिंसियर होप दैट सच मेगा इवेंट्स शुड बी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड टाइम एंड अगेन, giving the students a chance to display their talents. तो इसके साथ ही ये प्रोग्राम इवेंट हमारा जो है कंक्लूड हो गया. एंड all of us went to our homes, respective homes, with the hope that these such mega events will be organized time and again, giving the students a chance to display their talent, so that कि स्टूडेंट्स जो हैं अपने टैलेंट्स को डिस्प्ले कर सकें. एंड विद दिस होप दैट सच इवेंट्स विल बी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड टाइम एंड अगेन, वी ऑल ऑफ अस डिस्पर्स्ड. सो विद दिस यू कंक्लूड योर रिपोर्ट, and I have explained each and every word of this report. I hope all of you have understood. So write it in your fair notebooks and learn it. Is it clear to all? Keep revising the work which I am sending, because I am explaining each and every word of the work I am sending, and it is your duty to revise all the work that I am sending. And if you have any query, I am always there to help you. Good day.